Deep within the human body, a miracle begins to unfold in the quiet darkness of the womb. As gentle light pierces the darkness, life begins its extraordinary journey of creation. Two precious lives take their first breath in this sacred space, each beginning their own unique path. Nurtured by nature's perfect design, these tiny beings grow and thrive in their protective sanctuary. The miracle of twin life unfolds in harmony, a testament to the wonders of human creation. Witness the extraordinary beginning of life, where science meets the sacred.
Understanding the female reproductive system is key to medical knowledge. Let's explore its intricate anatomy in stunning 3D detail. These are the ovaries, almond-shaped organs that produce and release eggs, and also secrete hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Connecting to the uterus are the fallopian tubes, the site where fertilization typically occurs before the embryo travels to the uterus. The uterus, often called the womb, is a muscular organ designed to house and nourish a developing fetus during pregnancy. The cervix forms the lower part of the uterus, connecting it to the vaginal canal, which serves as the birth canal and for menstrual blood flow. Together, these structures form a complex and vital system, a masterpiece of anatomical design visualized with precision by Smart People 3D.
Deep within the ovary, a crucial event in the menstrual cycle is about to unfold. A mature follicle filled with fluid has developed. Inside, an egg is poised for its journey. This is ovulation. The follicle bursts, releasing not one but two mature eggs in a brilliant display of human biology. The fimbriae of the fallopian tube capture the eggs, guiding them towards their potential meeting with sperm. Understanding ovulation is key to grasping human fertility, a masterpiece of nature visualized in stunning 3D clarity.
In a race against time, millions of sperm begin an epic journey, the ultimate test of survival. Propelled by powerful tails, they navigate a complex and hostile terrain, competing for a single prize. Each is a perfectly evolved machine, with a head packed full of genetic material and a tail built for speed. Only a select few will find the correct path, a narrow gateway leading to the fallopian tubes. Deep within, the target awaits. The egg, a single beacon of hope at the end of a marathon. After a journey of incredible odds, the moment of truth arrives. One will win the race to fertilization.
Ever wondered how the journey of life begins? It's a race against time, a story of precision and chance. In this ultra-detailed 3D illustration, we witness a remarkable event. Two eggs, each awaiting a single partner. Among millions, only a few strong swimmers will reach their destination. Here, two sperm cells are on the verge of a breakthrough, the moment of penetration. The sperm's genetic material is injected into the egg. A new life begins to form. Simultaneously, the same process unfolds in the other tube. The egg immediately activates a protective barrier, the fertilization membrane. Two unique journeys, two new potentials. This is the incredible start of life, captured with unparalleled medical accuracy.
Life's most extraordinary journey begins with a single cell. This is a fertilized egg, the first step towards creating new life. Through a process called cleavage, the zygote rapidly divides. creating a cluster of identical cells. Each division is perfectly orchestrated, with every new cell containing the same genetic blueprint. In a rare and remarkable event, the developing embryo splits into two separate identical entities. This is the origin of identical twins. Two lives, with the exact same DNA, beginning their parallel journeys. A stunning display of nature's precision, visualized in hyper-realistic 3D detail.
Ever wonder how life begins? It starts with a single cell, a universe of potential. Fertilization sparks a remarkable journey. The single cell divides, multiplying into a complex cluster called a blastocyst. Notice the two key structures. The inner cell mass, the blueprint for a new human, and the outer layer that nurtures it. When this process happens twice, we see the beginning of twin development. Two blastocysts, two unique potential lives. Hyper-realistic 3D visualization for smarter learning. Smart People 3D.
Struggling to visualize early twin development? Meet an ultra-detailed 8K 3D medical illustration. Neural folds form the future brain and spinal cord, precise, clearly labeled, and anatomically accurate. Observe the primitive heart tube pulsing, with developing aortic arches and vessels in lifelike clarity. Compare limb buds and somites across twins to track milestones with realistic proportions. Designed for medical learning. Customizable labels, clean lighting, high-resolution detail. Smart People 3D integrates into lectures and training.
Witness twin implantation in ultra-real 3D. Clean clinical lighting, accurate anatomy, and labels guide every step. Two hatched blastocysts approach the receptive endometrium. Inner cell mass and trophoblast are clearly defined. Apposition and adhesion begin as trophoblasts anchor to the epithelium above rich spiral arteries in the endometrium. Syncytiotrophoblast invades, forming lacunae. Cytotrophoblast lines early chorionic tissue, the foundation of the placenta. Both embryos embed in separate sites. Maternal blood flows into lacunae, initiating nutrient exchange and placental development. Clear labels identify the implantation sites, endometrium, myometrium, and vessels. A precise 8K overview closes the sequence.
Confused by twin prenatal anatomy? See it clearly in 8K. Fully formed twins, placenta, cords, and sacs under clean documentary lighting. Follow each umbilical cord from the twins to the placental surface with accurate vessel paths and insertion points. Observe amniotic membranes and fluid, cushioning, temperature control, and growth support, rendered with medical precision. Labels stay pinned as we rotate. Fetus, placenta, umbilical cord, amniotic fluid, ideal for teaching demonstrations. Close-up realism, skin texture, lanugo, facial features, and superficial vasculature, professional grade, anatomy first. Contrast view, unlabeled versus labeled. Complex structures become intuitive within seconds. Professional 8K visualization for lectures, clinics, and creators. Watermark, Smart People 3D.
Explore a healthy twin pregnancy with an ultra-real 3D view. Clear, calm, and medically accurate. Two fetuses develop side by side, each in its own protective amniotic sac and connected by an umbilical cord. Placenta tissues anchor to the uterine wall, exchanging oxygen and nutrients through rich maternal blood vessels. Detailed anatomy. Heartbeat, spine, and limbs grow steadily, reflecting a typical healthy mid-pregnancy. A clear, balanced overview for clinicians, students, and parents. Smart People 3D, designed for professional teaching.
In the quiet sanctuary of the womb, life begins its most extraordinary journey. Two precious lives growing together in perfect harmony, protected, nurtured, and filled with infinite potential. Every tiny feature, a testament to nature's perfect design. Life begins with a miracle. Brought to you by Smart People 3D.